This is the Gerber Myth Ratcheting Pruner, model 31-002749. If you do a lot of gardening and pruning of your shrubs, then this little myth is going to be perfect for you. I love the nice soft overmold here. It's going to give you a nice easy grip, ease of just pushing that down. It comes open, so it's spring loaded, so you're not having to work as hard each time that you open and close. This is an anvil cutter. It's made of heavy duty steel construction. You have a 3/4 inch diameter of maximum cutting. So made of the high carbon SK5, and the handle is made of cast aluminum. Again, this ratcheting mechanism is for less hand stress. Non-stick coated blade for corrosion resistance. Overall length 3 inch. That overall length is 8 inches. The blade length is 2.2 inches, weighing 8 ounces. And again, when you're ready to lock it up, easy. So it can collapse a little bit for nice storage. So I think you would enjoy the Myth Ratcheting Pruner, model 31-002749.